Welcome to the Virtual Lead Auditor training course on ISO 9001-2015. In today's video, we will talk about Lesson 3, Overview of Quality Management Systems. In this video, you will learn the 7 quality management principles. 1. Customer focus. 2. Leadership. 3. Engagement of people. 4. Process approach. 5. Improvement. 6. Evidence-based decision-making. 7. Relationship management. Today we'll be exploring the 7 quality management principles as outlined in ISO 9001-2015. By the end of this session, you'll be able to understand each principle clearly and see how they apply specifically in garments manufacturing. We'll also look at how to use these principles to improve operations from the sewing line to the merchandising department. The first principle is customer focus. This means understanding customer needs, meeting them, and where possible, exceeding their expectations. For example, in the merchandising department, this could mean aligning shipment deadlines with buyer expectations to build trust and repeat business. The second principle is leadership. Strong leadership provides direction, builds a shared vision, and supports quality goals. Think of a production manager who sets clear KPIs for reducing defects and motivates supervisors to achieve them. That's leadership in action. The third principle is engagement of people. Everyone in the factory, from top management to operators, should be involved and valued. An example is when QC operators feel empowered to report defects during inline inspections. Their input directly supports better product quality. Fourth is the process approach. This involves managing activities as interrelated processes to ensure consistent and predictable outcomes. In our context, this means seeing fabric inspection, cutting, sewing, and finishing as one continuous value stream, not separate departments. The fifth principle is improvement. A successful factory is always looking for ways to improve. For instance, by using monthly defect data to identify recurring issues and fixing root causes on the sewing line, we reduce rework and waste. Next, we have evidence-based decision-making. Instead of acting on guesswork, we use data to guide actions. For example, analyzing AQL reports can help identify which lines need retraining, so decisions are backed by facts, not assumptions. The final principle is relationship management. Good relationships with suppliers, partners, and even internal teams are vital. One way to practice this is by holding regular review meetings with fabric suppliers to resolve quality issues proactively. Here's a real-world case. A Dhaka-based garment unit cut customer complaints by 40% after applying a leadership-driven culture focused on listening to customer feedback and employee suggestions. This shows the power of these principles when they are implemented seriously. Now, it's your turn. For the activity, choose any 2 of the 7 principles and describe how your factory already applies them or how you think it could apply them better. And for homework, create a 1-page chart summarizing all 7 principles, with practical examples from your own work environment. This will help reinforce today's learning and make it directly relevant to your daily operations. Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you learn a lot from this course. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for updates. See you in Lesson 4. Structure and clauses of ISO 9001-2015.